In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a live wallpaper as a watch face on Apple Watch. All you have to need, go to your iPhone and open the Photos app. In Photos app, scroll down and just tap on Media Type, and here open Live Photos. And then go ahead and just open a live photo, which live photo you want to set as a live wallpaper. So here you can see this is a live photo. I'm selecting a different one, maybe this one. Now just tap on the share, and here you have to tap on create watch face, and here choose watch face. You can select this option or you can select this option. So I'm selecting this option, for example, and now you can go ahead and adjust this wallpaper or watch face from here. Now just tap on add, and the specific live photo will be set to your Apple Watch as a live wallpaper.